Alrighty, so just for a quick review on the worksheet for yesterday for the advanced order of operations, all we're using is PEMDAS, except it's advanced, it has some positives, some negatives. We're just going to be working with a little bit of everything for this. So, I wrote number 1 down right here. Alright, so I have -7 minus -5 times -3 minus -7 cubed plus -5. So we're going to follow PEMDAS, okay? Alright, so with that being said, first and foremost are parentheses. Parentheses include some sort of set. Brackets are also an option for this as well. So we're going to start with this part here. Alright, so you know that subtracting a negative is the same thing as adding. So I have -3 plus 7, and -3 plus 7 is 4. So this becomes 4 cubed. Alright, I'm going to write everything else beside it. So I have -7 minus -5. And then there we are. Alright, so parentheses are done. Next is exponents. We have an exponent right here. Exponent is a little number on the top. That means this is the same thing as 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And 16 times 4, what is it, 48? 56, 64, I'm sorry. Okay, 64. Sorry, I double checked that. Alrighty, so now it's saying that this is 64. So I'm going to go ahead and write that as 64 plus -5 times. Alright, so you see how I went and I worked my way down. So this whole thing here is equal to 64. Now exponents are done. Multiplication and division go left to right. Now addition and subtraction go left to right. Okay? So any multiplication and division, we have multiplication right here. So let's do that part first. 64 times -5, so we have 64 times -5. Since it's different signs, we know our answer is going to be negative. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 2 is 32. So our answer is -320. Alright, and now I'm going to do... I'm going to put parentheses around this because I have to write this part here is what we did. Okay, so I have to write my minus and then -7. Alright, multiplication and division are both done. Now on to adding, subtracting. Adding, subtracting goes left to right. So let's just do this first bit of subtraction that we have here. Alright, we have -7 minus a -320. So don't forget, subtracting a negative is the same thing as adding a positive. So this will become a plus. And then -7 plus 320 is 313. And then we have plus -5. And now we do our last step. And 313 plus a -5 is going to be 308. Alright, any questions at all? If there are, let me know. Feel free to text or email. Other than that, use the same steps. You want to make sure that you are following